Is it red?
No.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah.
Is it? It's not. I don't see the red light.
Yeah, it is. Yeah.
This is pointless. Go, go, go. Shit. Prickly.
Welcome to another video. I am at Anzio Camp League with some lads from the Vertex Tactical squad. I had some issues with the camera filming today, so there's going to be two games mixed in here.
I'm going left. I'm going left. No, I'm going left. I'm going left. I'm going right. Yeah. From that direction, yeah? Yeah, got him. Nice. Well played, mate. Good comms. You are in. I see him. He's behind the barricade on the left hand side. Yeah. Reloading. Right.
Just got to do a push.
Yeah, I think so. Yeah, let's move up towards the HQ. Yeah, through there, but they'll be. Hello, Akbar. Hello, Akbar. Hello, Akbar.
So this game mode had two VIPs at the top end of the map. The Blues would get decimated from the get-go, all from the morning onwards. So Marshals decided to give them a head start and have them spawn a lot closer to the actual site, which means it took us a while to try and get the VIPs. Basically, the VIPs have to be escorted to 2 or 3 different points and hold the point for a certain amount of time with some packages.
Lucky I missed. Yeah, I got you, mate. I just got you there. I saw him bounce off you. All you said, I saw him bounce off you.
So I had to be an Airsoft Karen, but this was the running theme through most of the day, to be honest. Not like it was a massive problem. I've only encountered it 4 or 5 times throughout the day, which on the average is about what you're going to get. But the problem is I did have some Blues also come up to me and talk to me about it, because they've seen some of their players not taking hits from me shooting them throughout the day. This has happened on 2 occasions, so I don't like to call people out, but when it's that close and when you zoom in frame by frame, I can see that they got shot whilst editing this, so yeah.
Ah, hit! Well played, good shot! Yeah, they're right. Here, I'm not trying to overkill.
I knew there was 3 or 4 of them there. I didn't know they were all down. So
yeah, they're all down.
Yeah, please don't
push.
spam me in the comments for overkill.
I'm going inside building, Ollie. That's reds. Yeah, he's down. Yeah, if you see him, just light up. Yes, it.
Massive credit to this guy. We thought we were shooting him, and he wasn't aware.
There's a guy behind
there was
you,
another guy behind him,
and
he apologised. Absolute legend. Game goes on.
Keep shooting.
Well taken, lad.
Yeah, I don't know if you did, but I'll take it. Oh, I'm just going to stand.
Stand in view, yeah, stand in view, lad.
Just so people know where I am.
quickly. Have we got the other side of the embassy, do we know? What, that side? Yeah.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Right, now we need to get deck. Windows. Up top windows. Yeah, battery's down, mate. Have you changed it? Right, when I get you get down. Yeah.
Must be a charge battery.
9, 10. I'm sorry, Deck, I can't get you, pal. I'm really trying to think of how to get you, but I've got you covered if you want to go. Come this way. 1, 2, get down 3, 4, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, good, you're back in. Yeah. You changing battery, mate? Yeah. Do you want to come in here and cover? Is it working? Let's go, let's go. Ah! Yeah! Hey!
Oh, I'm dead. I'm dead. Dead, man!
You got my gun, but I had to call it because it's stinging. Careful there, careful there.
1, 2, 3,
Yeah, mate, you can still
4,
shoot if you're
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
careful, there's a hole next to you. Your blues? Yeah, we're moving up, so what do you want to do here?
Well, we can back up, get it out.
Find it out.
Yeah, just back up to the yard somewhere. Get
So
behind
at
the corner, so when you're done,
Anzio,
we'll
the site
move up.
isn't insured to be able to play over the stairs themselves, so this is a way of negotiating how to play. It's usually very good here, no one usually complains.
Alright, hit, well played, mate. Second death. Dead man. What's that? One coming through. How many, mate? You know where I am, mate.
So I could hear them making a move, talking about moving through the smoke. So I decided to just random it. And it worked.
Yeah, got one.
Already hit.
Thank you, mate.
Dead man.
Sorry, Deck. Oh yeah, hey, well played. Dead man.
I was up against this spawn building.
Yeah.
And
I was in there.
Oops, you lost.
one of them just went, "You can't shoot us." I'm like, "I'm not inside your building, of course I can."
Yeah,
And
true.
thank fuck Marshall was stood next to him and went, "Yeah, he can." But if you push left side, you can get straight through.
Go on then. Well, we can't go through this spawn, remember?
No, no, no.
Yeah, I'd go further left, mate. I'm going around.
I could see more enemy movement there. Another live player dragged the dead man down. So I thought, since I haven't got a clear shot, let's go back to Deck and Denny, try and res them.
Do you think we can get him? I've got one, but there might be two more there. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, I know. Yeah, we're going this way.
So D1 was their spawn, but we do know that we can shoot inside the spawn if they're out of it. We can still shoot them. We can't go inside their spawn, but we can shoot them in the spawn, if that makes sense. They need to regen out of the line of sight. We knew these were dead. They weren't posing any threat, so we left them. And then suddenly they come awake and shoot Deck and Denny as we keep moving across.
Go. Oh, shit, you know. That's your 2 death, boys. Yeah, mate. It's just literally down the road on your right. Oh, on your left, sorry. Well played, mate. No, red.
And this is why you should always go around a corner, even if you don't suspect anyone being there, with your gun half cocked, aiming forwards, because those reaction shots, when they come off like that, epic.
Red. Hey, mate. Yeah.
So Denny and Deck have respawned.
I just got that guy in blue that was there from. I was just trying to front waiting for you, but I got the guy that was there and see. I keep doing that. I keep pressing my goodies against my other bags. Yeah, get down and do it. Yeah, that's it.
So here again, another strange instance of somebody just either not feeling the hits, not taking them. I think the latter. I got one there, but there's me and Deck there got one at least when they ran across. There was 3 of them, and yeah. It's sometimes you just get these days. It wasn't terrible. It was just 5 or 6 instances like this all day. Don't let it ruin your day.
There, you know what I mean?
But it does happen.
Red. Alright. Go. Retreating. Yeah. Well played.
What, 4 of them there?
4, 3, 4.
One moving left, it's looking.
Yeah, pepper him. Well played, boys. Well done. We're with you, Ollie, mate. No, we can go through here as well, all the way to the other end of these bushes there. Spread out, lads. I'm going left. We're with you, Matt. Well played. 1, 2, 9, 10. Back in. Yeah, retreat, 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 retreat. Empty mag. Nope.
And here in this firefight, always make sure that when you play with an NGRS or a gas gun, you actually pull back the charging handle. Because here I got caught with implants down, somehow got a kill out of it, just as I got shot. And here we see Deck getting pushed by 2 players from 2 different angles. Guys just got no chance there, unfortunately.
Push this side.
Them are walking. Well, they've got nowhere else to go because we've got all map covered. Yeah, coming out, coming out, coming out.
Don't worry about me, I'm already coming down.
Right, let's lead it.
So now when respawning, all the way across the map,
you watch right.
we know now that there are 2 VIPs here, the ones that I mentioned at the start of the video. So we're going to try and capture them,
He's dead, he's dead.
and see what happens.
Right, yeah, let's go that way. You guys go that way. Oh, hang on, are you on your own? Right, I'm going with this line. You 2 clear that way. Let's go, let's go. Reds, reds. Reds.
Now when I peeked that corner, I didn't realise they were all dead. So I just approached it so nonchalant. I actually find it crazy how many people I've rezzed on this day. Like, I would just absolutely just team player in it like all day. It was quite interesting actually.
Come on, come on, come on. Yeah. 9, 10.
Thank you very much.
Right, so you guys are out here now, yeah? Right, well, look at the VIPs. Right, so where do we go?
We need to take the stock from the lobby and get it to Armory.
What stuff have you got?
Okay,
Where is it?
So, lobby. We need to take all the gear.
Right, let's go. Let's go. Are you sure it's not good? Denny! Deck! What colour? That was fun.
Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a comment, like, subscribe. Really goes a long way. Appreciate you all. Thank you so much.